Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing, well, right now actually me and Travis are headed to Portland from Seattle. It's gonna be a long ride, but we're looking at a car that I want to get for the family, me and Isabel, and it's just gonna be a fun car. So yeah, so we had to stop and get some food, some Arby's. That's the best sauce in the world. That shit was so fire. If y'all haven't tried that Bronco berry sauce, y'all sleeping, cause that shit gas.
More? Which one?
Hey. So we looked at the car. It was not it. There was rust through the floorboard. That thing, the brakes were trash. But luckily, since we're in the area, I found another one that's super clean, not lifted, stock, 150,000 miles. Ooh, you guys are gonna see it. So guys, I ended up finding the car, and let's show you. Jeep Cherokee Sport. Pretty clean. It's gonna be the good little family car.
Good morning, guys. Say hello, Junie. Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna have just kind of like a small vlog of what me and Junie does when Junie's at work. So we're gonna eat some cereal and then get on with our morning. I made the bed, and I think in the middle of my time lapse it stopped. I don't know for what, but this is the finish. So hey guys, so it is currently 2:30 in the afternoon. I did stop vlogging right after I did the bed because Junie took a nap, and when he takes a nap, that's kind of just time to myself a little bit to do certain things. You trying to look how handsome you are? But yeah. He did take a bath, that's why he looks all handsome. Say hello. And then Jeremy gets off work pretty soon in like 2 hours. Yeah, he is, isn't he? And then we are gonna go to Walmart, get a few things. Maybe I'll get Valentine's Day goodies for Junie and Jeremy. Okay. And then I'm currently packing right now because I'm going to Port Townsend with Junie just for a little bit, and then yeah, we'll update you guys when Jeremy gets off work.
Okay guys, so we're about to try to do these yoga poses like I see all the other YouTubers doing, the yoga challenge or whatever, and we're gonna try it. This is gonna be our first one.
Put your feet against mine.
Oh my god. Are we doing this? Are you like straight? Oh my god, this hurts. Oh my god.
Our bodies can't touch.
I don't like that one. I think we're doing this wrong. I can't go down. And then I grab your feet.
I can't touch you up.
We'll try again.
My leg popped. Here we
Come on, you gotta be strong. Go. Oh, I don't know.
There you go. I can't carry you.
Yo.
I can't.
Go, Johnny.
I can't.
Put your hands up. As you guys can tell, we don't do yoga. We don't do athletic shit. I'm winded. And we failed like I think 80 to 100% of those. Awesome. So guys, that's gonna end today's vlog, and we're sorry we didn't get to do as much as we wanted to as usual in our vlogs, always being lit and having a good time. But we're just really busy this week, and actually next week's video is probably just gonna be me in it, maybe a couple of my friends, because Isabel's taking Junie to see his grandma in Port Townsend. She probably told you guys, but her doing that, she's gonna be gone for the week. But we're still gonna get our upload on Monday. And if you guys want to see what she's doing, just go head over to our Instagram, and she's going to be keeping you guys updated on there. Well, anyways, if you guys enjoyed it, thanks for watching. Man, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.